Nah, that wing looks tough though, for real. I know how to get it from the good side. Get this shit started. Alright, first thing we need to do is turn that heat on, because it is cold out here. So I gotta get some light. Make sure we can see in this thing. I started taking it apart yesterday at the actual buyer's house. Check. Alright, let's see. I got these off, these off. Alright, I recommend taking all the clips out along the edges. They're gonna be small ones. They're pretty easy to take out. Last thing is gonna be a screw right in that little handle area, next to where the latch assembly will be. So make sure you take that screw out once you have everything. Looking at everything right now, like I am, we're gonna go ahead and break this stuff down too. All right, we got a couple push clips. It's gonna be right here. Push that down. Right here also. Right here and right here. Recommend using a pick to get those tight clips out the way too as well. Then with some pliers, you're gonna go around the trim and grab these from the bottom end, push them out so we can get this wire harness out the way. For the ones that's embedded like this, do not just yank them out, man. Use that pick, dig into right in between that thing, and then pry with it. Don't just yank these things, man. For real, save your stuff. But other than that, this should do the trick. I kind of did it on this one side. So this example, you can see the indentation part where you can kind of push it in that pick and just maneuver it slowly. It'll come out. These arm guards, slide it right in there. Pry slowly. All right, let's pull this wire harness through gently. Well, as gently as possible, but shoot, it came out. Once you take all these pins out, you got this last thing. You're gonna push the ball joint and then slide the actual throttle through. And then boom, we're ready to actually get the trunk off this time. All right, next we're taking a size 10 to these 4 bolts. I recommend putting a rag down on each side so it does not crack your glass. All right, trunk is off. We're gonna go ahead and start converting. Hopefully these stuff start fitting to each other. So all that stuff is gonna go on this stuff. I am not keeping this type S badge up here. There's not no fake around here, man. So I don't remove everything, even the badges. I think I might take this up there. Let's go ahead and get this one off there. You know, just removing the badges off of this one. Figure I might keep all this stuff anyway. The trunk's gonna go definitely to salvage. Whatever. Yeah, I gotta keep all these batteries. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Screw these 8s back on for the bezel. All right, new trunk is on. Definitely loving the wing. I just gotta go get this washed up, and yeah, man, we gotta do some body work to this, definitely. Definitely wanna get this straightened up, but right now, man, it's sitting pretty good, bro. Cannot complain at all. That's how we do it. Nah, that wing looks tough though, for real. I know how to get it from the good side. Yeah, that's tough. Need some tint and some lowness, but she bad.